When it comes to irrigation systems, efficiency is everything. Upgrading your customer's irrigation system with Toro's water-smart irrigation solutions allows them to water more efficiently. That means they'll be saving water and saving money too. Traditional fixed spray nozzles direct water by deflecting it off of a plate at the top of the nozzle to create a fan-like pattern. Toro's Precision Series spray nozzles feature patented H2O chip technology that uses up to 35% less water than traditional nozzles. Specially designed chambers create a rapidly oscillating single stream of water. The oscillating motion results in larger, more uniform sized droplets. This innovative water delivery also produces improved coverage and better defined edges.
All of this translates into reduced runoff onto driveways, sidewalks, and structures, improving the soil absorption and providing big water savings, ultimately providing a healthier landscape.
So the precision spray nozzles come in a variety of different arcs, or the distance that it throws the water, and they come color-coded, which makes it very, very simple for us in the field. Red indicates a 5-foot radius, green is an 8-foot, blue, as you can see, for 10-foot, brown is for 12-foot, and black is for 15-foot. In addition to that, you can see the gray side strip nozzle here. They also come in a variety of different arcs. In other words, we can go from 60 degrees all the way to a 360-degree pattern, which is fantastic. They are available in male and female threaded models, so they are compatible with most manufacturers' sprinkler bodies, including Toro, Irritrol, Rainbird, and Hunter brands. With so many options, the water savings is available to just about any customer, no matter what type of system or sprinklers they have. Upgrading to precision spray nozzles can be done in just a few easy steps. But before you start, you might want to assemble the right tools. Some flags for marking and indicating where the heads are located, a sprinkler pull-up tool, a small flathead screwdriver for adjusting the spray pattern, and we recommend using a large binder clip found at a local office supply house. This will hold the stem in the upright position while you change out the nozzles. The first step in nozzle replacement is to determine the type of precision spray nozzle needed for each sprinkler head. To do this, you will need to identify the nozzles you have currently installed. To determine the types of nozzles you need, turn on the irrigation system and use marking flags to identify the location of the heads. Once you have marked the location of all the sprinklers, turn the system off. Use your sprinkler pull-up tool to lift the nozzle of the first head. Install a clip to hold it in an upward position. At this point, note the brand, the arc, and the radius of the nozzle. Repeat this process throughout the landscape until you have identified all nozzles. Use the nozzle checklist to record how many of each type you will need. Toro recommends head-to-head sprinkler coverage. What this means is the spray from one head should reach the other head adjacent to it in all directions. In your initial nozzle evaluation, if you notice that some sprinklers do not exhibit head-to-head coverage due to under or overspraying, you may consider replacing the nozzle with one of longer or shorter radius. Now that you have a list, visit your local authorized Toro irrigation distributor to obtain the Precision Series nozzles you need. Then you can move on to step 2, the nozzle replacement process. It is always a good idea to flush the system before installing new nozzles to clear the lateral lines of any debris or sediment. Pull up the riser on your sprinkler head, remove the old nozzles, turn the system on and flush the system for at least 1 minute to ensure that any debris or loose soil is expelled from the system. When the flush is complete, remove the flush caps and replace them with the correct precision spray nozzle. Turn on the system once more. Align the nozzles as needed by simply rotating the entire sprinkler riser. You will hear a ratcheting noise as you make this adjustment, which is perfectly normal. The radius of the precision spray nozzles can be adjusted up to 25% by turning the radius adjustment screw at the top of the nozzle. Use your screwdriver to fine-tune the radius if needed after installation. Repeat the process through all of the sprinklers in the system. It's important to replace all of the nozzles in each zone. Replacing only a few can result in uneven watering. For additional water savings, consider installing Toro's Evolution controller with Smart Connect. This award-winning, easy-to-use controller automatically adjusts the system's watering schedule based on location-specific weather conditions to prevent overwatering. Toro Precision Spray nozzles use up to 35% less water than traditional inefficient nozzles in the marketplace today, providing unmatched performance and saving both water and money. The end result is a lush, beautiful lawn and a happy customer.